Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So today we have another update on Bitcoin, which we have two scenarios that spells caution. So stick with me until the very end and we'll do some updates of course on the usual altcoins. So let's dive into Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as yesterday I explained, with this bounce we lacked something here. We lacked the volume that we had the previous two times when we bounced strongly from this area. So today, after having this sideways action and a rejection on the 4-hourly, I started to look some possible bearish scenarios. So the first one on the 4-hourly, we could be possibly having another bear flag if we touch this area one more time. Okay, for now we only touched it once, which is here. If we retest this area, it will confirm a bear flag. Of course we have to break it, but it would be a legit bear flag. This scenario would be invalidated if of course we break above it. So this is scenario number one, which of course it could go wrong, but it doesn't. I'm not afraid of that too much. I'm afraid a little bit on this other scenario, which we have in history. So let me explain. Going on the 3 daily time frame, removing these channels, okay, and pulling out the 50 and the 200 SMA ribbon. Sorry, SMA, not SMA ribbon, we can clearly see that the 200 is supporting us strongly, while the 50 is giving us a strong resistance, and this is some kind of symmetrical triangle, right? But of course, instead of trend lines, we have the moving averages, and we can see that we are at its apex. Now, moving back in history, between 2017 and 18, we can see that in fact we had this price action that is mimic our current price action, got squeezed and moved, broke down significantly. So that is why I said it spells caution, because until we break this area, and let me zoom in, until we break this area, it's better to play it safe and make some stop loss on the altcoins we traded together this past week. So until we break here or here, it's better to play it safe. Okay, so let's move to our first altcoin, MBOX. MBOX is currently being rejected again, and to tell you the truth, I am invested in MBOX, but that is my spot account, which I dollar cost average in it. So that is not worrying for me, but I'm not very interested in margin trading this coin for now. I would be interested if I see some type of reversal on this area, and I say something reversal like a double bottom with bullish divergence. Okay, that is the basic and common thing you can find at these areas. But for now, it's better not to trade it. It's not appealing. Moving on the GMT, as I told you yesterday, I was waiting for a bearish candle to show me that the price action could be reversing. But to be honest, I was expecting this price action tomorrow, not today. So I was expecting, as yesterday explained, the price action to reach around 460. But again, you have to adapt according to the price action. So I stopped my stop loss because I saw a double top with bearish divergence here. So for me, that is spelling price exhaustion, and I was happy to stop my trade at a 50% profit. So that's stopped for me. Okay, moving to the next coin, APECOIN. APECOIN broke And to be honest, yesterday I kind of predicted some consolidation, but I was expecting a little bit more. And today it broke up massively and currently is like forming an ascending triangle, something like this. But it's still in the early stages, could be another type of formation, but it is very bullish that it's consolidating at the top near the all-time high. Okay, so it wouldn't be surprising to break up again to the upside. But given that another bearish divergence is here on the 1 hour, you can see that we have a bearish divergence. For me, it's more likely to rebound on this channel. Okay, for me, it's more likely to retest that channel at around $14. Moving to our next trade, IOTEX. IOTEX again, and I'm saying that I'm stopping these trades because I am cautious on Bitcoin. Bitcoin for me, as I told you, could reverse a little bit to the 39k area. So for me, that would mean that I lose my gains, and I wasn't comfortable with that. So I stopped my trade of IOTEX because, as you can see, we are touching this. Let me zoom to the daily. This channel, which has previously been resistance for us. Okay. And on the 4 hour, we saw a bearish candle here engulfing the other two bullish candles, while being, of course, on the 1 hour overbought, sorry. So for me, that was something that is spelling me a reversal to this area, and that would mean that I lose the 10% gain I've got. So I stopped my IOTEX trade, and I will be interested to enter again along at this area if I see some reversal patterns. So let's delete that. And moving to the last coin, LRC. LRC is the only one I still have open. As I told you yesterday, this was a very nice bump and run pattern, and we are currently holding still this support area, which was very strong in previous times. So I will leave this trade open, but I will be very cautious on it because, as I told you, Bitcoin, I'm not comfortable with this squeezing of price between the 50 and the 200 SMA. So this squeeze should break at about 1st of May, maybe to the 4th May. Until that, be cautious because it could go both ways. So that's it for me today, guys. Remember to like and subscribe and leave me any comments you would like on any type of altcoins. See you.